Hey everybody, welcome back. I am Scott from toyoperformance.com, and today we're going to share with you some information and a demonstration about clamps. Most recently we reached out, as we continue to do, to solicit and find manufacturers and partners in the off-roading space that we really feel are revolutionizing that area. Most specifically, TKO Clamps are a premium custom machine clamp based out of, I'm hoping I say this correctly, Pocatello, Idaho. Their intent is to bring to the market a fresh perspective on how the clamp is viewed, moving away from the utilitarian basic model to a unique look. Their goal is to not only improve the appearance of clamps, but to change the perception of how a clamp is viewed by the performance enthusiast. Their groundbreaking design is patented and consists of a multi-hinge 3-part aluminum band, which we'll show you in a second, that incorporates a negative angle locking latching system. The clamps are approximately 1/4 inch thick and 1/2 inch wide. They use 6061 aluminum because of its strength and a finished look. You know, we are really seeing that they're trying to change the narrative and move away from the tired old clamp, and I hope you can see what TKO can offer you today. Our friend Tim from TKO was gracious enough to send a few samples, and I'm going to show you how those products look, demonstrate how we use them, and hopefully change your view of the utilitarian clamp. Okay, the samples came in great packaging, in a plastic bag, clear label telling you what it is. Here's another example of that. And of course, this one came in this little piece came in a smaller bag, but you get an idea of what that is. And the samples that were sent were really different. This one here is fitted for either a 1 3/4 pipe, and I have a pipe here. And if you take a look, you can see the quality of that and those screws and the rubber band in here to protect your pipe. And if we do this, you'll get an idea. This is how you tighten these. And you can see the 3-part system where it's hinged. This locks it. So I'm going to show you real fast what it looks like unlocked. Taking this out, and I get a little bit more, and I'm going to unlock this one as well. And once I do that, the system comes apart. And this is hinged, this goes here, and then this hinge right here on the bottom. And of course, this is the mounting space that you can use to put anything on top. So if we come over here to our sample pipe, real quick, you can see I'm putting the 3/3 space in here. And I'm going to tighten that upper mount, and then I'm going to tighten this lower piece.